Четвертый класс, английский язык, звездный английский, домашнее задание, урок 40, часть 1, страница 87, 88, 89. English Starlight for homework, lesson number 40, part number 1, page number 87, 88, 89. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. It's getting late. It's getting late. It's getting late and I really hate to say goodbye. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. I've got to go home. Please don't go. It's getting late and I really hate to say goodbye. But I've got to go home. Oh no, please don't go. Boys and girls, we begin our walk. Open your books, please. Page number 87. 87. Exercise number 3. Read and complete the text. Прочитай и закончи текст. The answer: tallest, fastest, smallest, biggest. Taipei 101 in Taiwan is the tallest building in the world. It's got 101 floors. It's also got the fastest lifts in the world. You can get from the main floor to the top in about 40 seconds. Yorkshire Terriers are one of the smallest dogs in the world. Would you like a puppy in a cup? The Sahara Desert in Africa is the biggest desert in the world. It's almost as big as the USA. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Write about your country. The tallest building, the longest river, the oldest town, etc. Draw or stick pictures. Напиши про свою страну. Самое высокое здание, самая длинная река, самый старый город и так далее. Нарисуй или прикрепи картинки. The answer: Hello, my name is Sasha. I'm from Russia, from Tula. My city is famous for its gingerbread and its samovars all over the world. It's green and beautiful city. I love it very much. I love my country very much too. Russia is the biggest country in the world. In Russia, the longest river is the Lena. It is 4,400 kilometers length. The tallest building is Federation Building in Moscow City in Moscow. It's got 95 floors. The oldest city is Kerch. It's more than 2,600 years. And the deepest lake in Russia is Lake Baikal. Fun time. Read the proverb. What does it mean? Have you got the same proverb in your language? Прочитай пословицу. Что она означает? В твоем языке есть такая же пословица. Птица в руке ценнее двух в кустах. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Russian language has got the same proverb. Лучше синица в руках, чем журавль в небе. Did you know? How can you tell a gorilla is angry? It sticks its tongue out. Ты знал, как можно понять, что горилла злая? Она высовывает язык. Dolphins are the fastest swimmers. They can swim up to 57 kilometers per hour. Дельфины – самые быстрые пловцы. Они могут плыть до 57 километров в час. The world's tallest animal is a giraffe. Самое высокое животное в мире – жираф. At birth, a panda is smaller than a mouse. It's only about 120 grams. При рождении панда меньше мыши. Она весит 120 грамм. Rats can live longer than camels without water. Крысы могут жить дольше без воды, чем верблюды. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 88. 88. Exercise number 1. Find 12 animals. Найди 12 животных. The answer: parrot, whale, snail, lizard, panda, bear, camel, tiger, kangaroo, tortoise, python, gorilla. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read and complete the interviews. Then take roles and act out. Прочитай и закончи интервью. Затем распределите роли и разыграйте диалог. Where do gorillas live? The answer: B. They live in the jungle. How big do they get? Answer: F. They can reach 182 kilos. When a gorilla stands up, it can be 1.7 meters tall. A baby gorilla is only 2.5 kilos. What do they eat? The answer: G. They usually eat plants. They sometimes eat ants too. Where do pandas live? The answer: C. They live in mountains in China. It can reach 150 kilos. When a panda stands up, they can be 1.7 meters tall. What do they eat? The answer: A. They usually eat bamboo, rice, and eggs. Where do Siberian tigers live? The answer: E. They live in Russia and in some countries in Asia. How big do they get? They can reach 306 kilos. They can be 1.2 meters tall. What do they eat? The answer: D. They usually eat animals. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 89. Exercise number 3. Look and choose the right word. Посмотри и выбери правильное слово. The answer. Penguin, bird, bear. An elephant, tortoise, kangaroo. Tiger, python. Boys and girls, we must exercise number 4. Complete the text. Закончи текст. The answer. Animals, bears, desert, 50. Goby bears in danger. Goby bears are special animals because they are the only bears that can live in the desert. Медведи Гоби – особенные животные, потому что они единственные медведи, которые могут жить в пустыне. They live in the Gobi Desert in Mongolia. Они живут в пустыне Гоби, Монголии. The sad thing is that there are only 50 Gobi bears these days. Печальная вещь в том, что в наши дни осталось около 50 медведей Гоби. They can't find food or water easily. Let's help Gobi bears. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.